Hello everyone, welcome to Vortech. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 10 via bootable USB drive. Plug in your bootable USB drive and switch on your device or restart it if it is switched on. Press F2 or the delete button to enter the BIOS. Select the boot sequence and boot from your bootable USB drive. Save and exit. Your device will restart again and then it will start booting from your USB drive. Choose your language, time, and currency format, then click Next. Click onto the Install Now button. Here, I recommend you guys to choose the I don't have a product key option to fasten the whole installation process. So, you can skip the Microsoft account login and verification process. You can do this after Windows 10 installation done. Choose your Windows 10 version and click Next. Accept the license terms. Click Next. Choose Custom Install Windows Only. Here, you can delete your existing boot system to install your new boot system. Or, if you're doing this for a new device, then just choose your drive that you want to install the Windows 10. Click Next. Now it's done. Choose your region and the default keyboard layout. Skip. Choose I don't have internet and continue with limited setup. Name your user account and wait for several minutes. And there you go. Your Windows 10 installation is done. Connect to your internet and runs the Windows Update for latest update. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.